guys, so I wanted to come through really quick and tell you guys about how I manifested this townhome. Sorry if you guys hear echo. I'm in my living room and there's no furniture, so yeah, my couch comes next week. But yeah, basically it's kind of funny because this particular townhome, I worked here at this apartment complex about 3 years ago. I don't know what that noise is. It sounds like an alarm. Somebody's alarm. Anyways, I worked at this apartment complex about 3 years ago, right before I moved to Atlanta. And I remember working here and touring these apartments and being like, man, I really want this townhome, Oh, excuse me. And I couldn't afford it. And then I decided I wanted to move to Atlanta. So when I moved back to Texas, I knew that I wanted a townhome. As you guys see in I don't know if I'm gonna put the tweets on the screen or have them rolling before this part of the video, I don't know yet. But I have been tweeting about this particular townhome since 2017. I kid you not. So when I moved back to Texas, I was set on getting a townhome. Turning 27, getting a new car, and getting a townhome. And you guys know I already got my car. Super nice, best car I've ever had. It's only the second car I've ever had, but I did buy that on my own. Sorry the light's going in and out. I have windows in front of me. So whenever I started looking for apartments, I didn't even want this. I mean, not that I didn't want this apartment, but I didn't consider this apartment because it was very expensive. I feel like I couldn't afford it. So I actually went next door to another apartment, and I was settling, you guys. Like, don't settle. Like, if you want something, then go for it. I wasn't trying to get this apartment because I thought I didn't qualify for it. I thought that there was no way I can get it, or they wouldn't accept my income and stuff like that. So I didn't even think to come tour here. Even though I've worked here before and I know the property, I just didn't think I was good enough, basically. So I went next door and saw what they had available, and it was trash. And then on top of that, they didn't want to accept my income. And I think I showed you guys that. I did show you guys that studio apartment. It was trash. So I came over here next door because I was just in the area, and just to see what they had. And I was just going to be totally fine with a 1-bedroom apartment. Again, settling, because that's not what I wanted in my prayer journal. And speaking of, this is my prayer journal. It has like little Jesus fish on it. I don't know if I posted yet, but I want to show you guys where I specifically wrote that I wanted a townhouse. I specifically wrote that I wanted a townhouse. Now, I think in the pictures that I showed you guys, I was saying like a new apartment. That was me again settling. That was me settling. But I specifically wrote townhome, if I can find it, y'all. Y'all hear my AC going on? It just comes on and off and it be loud. Let me find the page. Hold on. Okay, so here I am, and this is February. If you guys can see, February 16th, 2020. I wrote, I will hear from jobs this week. Thank you, God, in advance for my new job. Lord, please provide me with an opportunity to get out of this house. This house was my mom's house, family house. I just wanted to get out of my family's house. I thank you in advance for my new, modern, spacious, affordable townhome. I manifested this in February. Even though in my tweets, they date all the way back to 2017. I am attracting the life I want. My dreams are manifesting. I wrote this February 16, 2020. Everything after that, when it comes to me manifesting my home and writing about it, I just put my dream home, my dream home, my dream home. And I honestly feel like that plus prayer plus you know, just being obedient and focusing and working hard for what I want is what got me this townhome. And yeah, it's just honestly, like, I just tell everybody, get you a prayer journal, write it down, be specific in what you want. I wanted something affordable. I wanted hardwood floors. I wanted granite countertops. I wanted a modern townhome. Everything is stainless steel. Like, you know, I have a garage. Like, I never thought that I could get this townhome, but I manifested it. It still really hasn't hit me yet because I haven't technically moved in, so I haven't slept here yet, but I'm very, very blessed. And yeah, honestly, I just wrote it down. I was specific with my prayers, and that's not the only thing I've manifested too. As you guys can see in my little list that I post, I manifested, you know, my job at the time. I manifested my car. I manifested my boyfriend, like all of that. Only thing I haven't manifested is a trip, because I want to take a trip for my birthday, but then Rona happened, so yeah. But yeah, guys, anybody can do it. I'm not B. Simone or anything, but if she the manifest queen, I'm like the manifest princess, because 2020 been good to me. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy my empty townhouse tour. Morning, everyone. So today is the big day, kinda. So let me tell you guys what happened. Lord, my lace looks, these baby hairs are trash. Anyways, let me tell you guys what happened. So basically, my furniture, I ordered all my furniture from Wayfair, and like, it just kept getting delivered early to my apartment. And thankfully I have a garage in my new place, and so I was like, yo, like, I can't store a mattress or a couch in my car. Like, is there any way I could put it in my garage? And they were like, well, the only way we can do that is if you sign another lease and move in early. So that's what I have to do, but I'm technically still not really moving in early. I'm just kind of moving my stuff in early. I can move in early, but I'm just choosing not to. I just want to move stuff a little at a time so that I can organize my place and get it how I want. I also have some people coming to assemble my furniture and stuff today, so I kind of want it set up before I fully move in. So that kind of worked out. I kind of take my time moving in, and I'm not forced to just do everything all on one day, especially since I'm moving out of town, so I don't have to like go back and forth multiple times in one day. I could just go throughout the course of a couple of days. So that's what I'm basically doing. But technically I do get my keys today, so I do move in today. So I do have some stuff in my car, and I'm going to give you guys an empty apartment tour. And yeah, so stay. Okay guys, so I am here right now. I'm in my garage. This is probably gonna be the last time you guys see me, because I'm gonna flip the camera and just show you guys the apartment really quick. I have so much stuff to move in, and I'm doing it all on myself, and I feel like crying, but it's gonna get done because it always does. So yeah, I'm gonna flip the screen around, and I'm gonna give you guys the tour of my new townhouse. This is my garage. It's a one-car garage. Over here I have literally my bed frame, my bed, my mattress, my dresser, all of that. Right here we're gonna come through, and once you come into the townhouse, you have my garage door, my closet door. This is my front door, and then these are the stairs up to my townhouse. So let's go up the stairs. This is gonna be a really quick tour because I need to hurry up and move this stuff. Okay, once you get up here, you have the living room, and this is it. And then you go around over there, you have a little dining area that I'm gonna turn into my filming area. That then leads out to my balcony. Then you turn around, living room, and then you have my bar area and my kitchen. So I do have granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. I have my double sink, what is that called? Dishwasher, oven, microwave. This is my pantry. And there's my laundry room, which my washer and dryer hasn't been delivered yet, but when I get here, this is my refrigerator. This is where I'm gonna keep my wine. And then come right here. It is another closet, which I'm probably gonna make my linen closet. Then we have the bathroom. Here's me. This is the sink. I love that there's a cabinet above my toilet. This is my tub. And then I'm gonna take you to my bedroom. This is my bedroom, very spacious, big window. And then my walk-in closet, which is huge. And that's that. That is pretty much it of my townhome. And yeah, let's go back out. So that was just a real brief, empty apartment tour. Once I move everything in, then, oh God, let me look towards the light. Once I move everything in, then y'all get like a better idea of how my place is gonna look. But for now, this is it. My furniture is getting delivered today and assembled today. So I'll have an updated furnished apartment tour soon, maybe the next week or so. And yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah.